If you've gotten a tax notice from Missouri lately and you've been trying to reach them to get it resolved, you know contacting Missouri is a nightmare now. You can try and try and try and never get in. And it's not just you. We have the same problem here as professionals as well. Missouri has become very difficult just to pick up the phone and call. It used to be great, but not anymore. But now, today, I'm going to show you how to fix that and an easy way to get through to Missouri that works and is going to help you get your situation resolved. Okay, so you got this tax notice or whatever it is you need to get a hold of Missouri for. And like I said, you've been struggling. Well, here's what you need to do. It's not going to take long. I'm going to walk you through this, and it works pretty much every time. So here we go. I'm going to have you go to Missouri Department of Revenue. Go to Missouri Department of Revenue. And then right there at the top, you're going to see this green tab called Taxation. If you hover over it, the third one down, at least currently, it may be different by the time you do this, but it'll be close. Schedule a tax call. Schedule a tax call. Now inside of this, you're going to see that we have these QR codes. Depending on whether it's an individual tax or a business tax, you're going to choose one of these. Now, I'm not going to use the QR code because I'm going to do this on a laptop, but if you're using your cell phone, you could do it. But to me, I'm just going to go ahead and click, let's just say it's individual income tax. From there, you're just going to type in your stuff. My stuff, I mean your name. So we're going to go Doug Burson. Last four of social, 1111. That's not my last four, so good try. But you're going to want to put your last four of social in because that's important. They're going to try to connect the information before they call you to know what it is. So you want to go ahead and put your social in there. You're going to need to put a phone number in here. So the phone number needs to be, I would suggest your cell phone because you don't want to miss this call. Email, I would suggest putting an email address in there because you're going to want to be able to have communication if necessary. So go ahead and put the email address in there. They'll also send you confirmation for your appointment. So you want to do that. And the name of the person who is the primary. In this case, we'll put myself again. And then the reason for the call. The reason could be I still have not received my refund. That'd be a good reason to call, right? And save. It's going to then verify your information. Say, yep. I'm not a robot. Last time I checked anyway. And there we go. So it's letting you know this is the number you're going to get a call from. So, you know, so often we get so many spam calls and all this garbage and we ignore this phone call. Pay attention to this phone number. The 573-751-7200, that's Missouri. It's been their number for a long, long time. Don't mess around with this. You don't want to miss this call. But now we get to select our appointment. It's going to give us 2 weeks. My experience so far is whenever you try to select the first week, they're all going to be full. You can look, but you're going to see like right here, there is nothing available. Nothing available. And that's the way it's been most times I've looked. But then you go to the second week, there's going to be a lot of no availables, but you get over here towards the end of the week, and, well, there were some earlier when we did this. There we go. There's some on Friday. A couple hours ago, there was some still on Thursday, but it's going to be a week and a half out usually before you're going to get in, maybe 2 weeks. So we go ahead and select, I'm going to take the 1045. On Friday. Now, I'm not going to click confirm because I don't want to set up an appointment and keep somebody else from getting it. But this is what you do. You hit confirm. At that point, you've done what you need to. You just need to make sure you are by your phone at 10:45 so that you don't miss that call. They're pretty good about it. My experience so far is they call right on time, and you're able to get somebody human and try to get the situation resolved. Yes, I know they have a chat bot there called DOR. So far to me, DOR has been worthless. She's never actually able to get me to anybody and always says all the representatives are busy, of course. So just do this. It's going to make your life simple. It's going to de-stress things, and you're going to be able to get things taken care of. So with that, if you have any other questions or problems, let me know. And if this works for you, please drop a comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.